y'all. So today's video is going to be a clothing haul slash what I purchased from my apartment. I did post a community poll on YouTube and you guys voted for a clothing haul. Sadly, since everything has opened up since the pandemic, it is super hard to find a lot of things in stores. Some stores you go into and the shelves be empty. So I just went and purchased what I can actually find. A lot of my purchases I did have to go and order online. If you guys are new to my channel, thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to hit that like button as well as comment and subscribe and turn on all your post notifications so you guys won't miss a video. But let's jump into the haul. Okay guys, so I'm just pretty much just grab whatever's in front of me. I'll probably just start off with the home stuff first. So the first item is an ice bucket. I got this because now since the new laws has been put in place that you need a vaccine to go into any restaurants, I decided that I will be doing a lot of my date nights with babe at home. So what other way is to get an ice bucket to keep our wine or, you know, champagne or liquor cold. So I did purchase this particular item from Target. Whatever items that I can list down below in the description box, I will go ahead and do so. But this item I can't wait to use tonight because tonight is date night. It has a 4-quart capacity. It's stainless steel and it also comes with a lid that's included as well, like the thing to pick up the ice. So I thought that was really cool. The next item that I did purchase was these BB cushions. I believe it's BB or BB. I want to say it's BB, but these BB cushions, I do have two. I actually love this brand. I do like the print. It do give me like winter vibes. I don't know if these are too light for my cushions, but I like them, so I did go ahead and snag them. They are very plush, which I actually like because I don't like flat looking pillows, but I do like these and I can't wait to add them to my couch. The next item that I did go ahead and purchase was this furry Room Essentials body pillow cover. Now I have my body pillow. My body pillow was a lifesaver throughout my pregnancies, so I wanted to jazz it up with a cute new body cover. I seen that they had these little furry ones. I believe it did come in a gray color, but I wanted to get black to match my sheets, so this is why I went ahead and purchased these. My next big item is a lamp. I did buy a new lamp for my bedroom. I wanted a new lamp because sometimes I don't always want to turn on the wall lamp because sometimes it could be like a little too bright. So with this lamp I can actually adjust it to my liking, and with this lamp I will also be using these mood lights or like the LED lights. You know how they have the LED strip lights where you could change it blue, red, orange, green. These are the light bulbs. So they do have light bulbs. I just found out that they had the light bulbs, so I did go ahead and purchase the light bulbs so I won't have to worry about putting the strip around my bedroom or around my living room and messing up my walls. So I thought that this was really convenient. It do comes with the standard white light, and it also comes with a remote. I'm going to show you guys the remote. Okay, so it comes with a remote inside. So with this remote you can change the bulbs, which I think is really cute. And it do, for each bulb, there's 4 bulbs in here and each bulb comes with a light. For instance, I will be using these light bulbs in this lamp. I only have to use one remote. So my next item here is a hotel duvet. So I was trying to find one that could probably mimic the one the Hilton Hotel had. Hopefully this works really well. I love how soft it is. It do feel plush, but I will actually know what it feels like once I put it on my bed. And it is white. I got it for a full-size bed. I did go ahead and purchase this from Burlington, and the light I got from Target. The bulbs I got from Amazon. Right, so my next item is I did go ahead and purchase some jersey sheets. I did purchase these from Target. Y'all, my mountain is coming down from in front of me. So my next item I did go ahead and purchase was a mattress pad. I wanted to buy a new one because I had like a foam type one and I just wanted to upgrade to a new one. And this is the Sealy Premium. It's allergy defense Plus. I didn't purchase this from Marshall. I do have a bag with some miscellaneous items in it, so I'm just gonna take the stuff out and show you guys what I did get. So the next item is some Baby Dove body wash. This is the head to toe body wash, and it's the sensitive formula. Nice and Harmony do have very sensitive skin. I got these from Burlington and it was only $4 a piece. So the next item that I did go ahead and purchase was these razors. I feel like this is very essential if you are a wig wearer. When cutting off the lace, it makes your wig look more natural. They was only $4 for a count of 6. The next two items I did go ahead and purchase was some lip gloss. I mean, I hope these lip glosses are not sticky. I cannot stand like a sticky or tacky lip gloss. So the next item I picked up was a bonnet, but this is the tie-dye silky satin bonnet. It says super jumbo and this was $5, y'all. I didn't realize how big it was until now. I'm gonna take it out and see how actually big. Oh child, this is big girl. This looks like a chef hat. This is big, but it's fine. The bigger the better. My next item was a lip scrub. I have never used a lip scrub before and this one was only $3. The next item I did go ahead and purchase. Now I cannot go inside Marshall's and not get anything hair related, so I did get some Main Choice hair oil. This is from the Alpha collection and this is the growth oil. The next item is some slides. Now these are the polo size slides. I did get these from Burlington. They was only $14. Now these are really big for Harmony, but they are a size 3. So I went and I picked these up because I thought they was really cute. And I know sometimes with stores like Burlington, Marshall, TJ Maxx, if you see something you have to snag it up. So I just got them for the summer of next year. Hopefully next summer she can actually fit these, but I just thought they was like really cute, so I can't wait for her to rock these next summer. Alright, so my last item for my miscellaneous pile is a candle, y'all. I love candles. This particular candle is the pumpkin and cinnamon clove, and y'all, it smells so good. I normally don't do pumpkin scents because a lot of the pumpkin candles that I smell, it stinks. But this one, it really smells really good. It gives me fall vibes. So I really cannot wait to burn this candle. And I did pick it up at Marshall's. And how much was this candle? This candle was only $8. And when I went back to Marshall's the next day, they did not have any more of these candles. So this is why I said in stores like this, if you see something and you want more than one, definitely go ahead and grab it because you will not find it again. So now on to the clothes for the kids. Pretty much the kids do have a lot of stuff. I just went through their wardrobe just to see what they need more of, what they was missing. But like I said, a lot of the stuff I wasn't able to get in stores, so I am waiting for my packages to get delivered to me. But Nazir just had this cute little sweater. It do says my mom rocks, which is this. His auntie did send him this sweater. She actually sent him the next two sweaters that I'm going to show you guys. This one says future leader, and this is how it looks. She did get these sweaters from Walmart, and the next sweater just have a dinosaur bone on it. So I thought those were really cute. They nice and thick, which is great. And this is the Granimals brand. Next is I got him a Champion long sleeve shirt. Now I did get this from Marshall's. Now don't let my kids wear a lot of long sleeve shirts. My kids are the type of kids who sweat a lot if they are layered up too much. The next item I did pick up was a True Religion shirt for him. I did find this in Burlington. The next shirt is a Nike shirt because I love having them wear like Nikes, Champions. That's pretty much what they normally wear. I just found him this little Hustle shirt. I thought that was really cute. And then the next one says Drippin'. This is the Lucky brand. Did get these from a local store that was close to my house. And this is the next Lucky Brand shirt. And I did pick up him this cute Nike jacket. I do like that it have a zipper over here on the side. And it also have the writing on the sleeves. And it have the wide noticeable logo on this side. And this is in a size 5. And this jacket was only $24.99. And it do not have any zip pockets on the side. And I did also pick him up these cute little rain boots. He really loved these rain boots. I did get these from Target. They was $19.99, but they had a 5% off cartwheel, so they came up to $18 and some change. Now, I did purchase Harmony some rain boots, but when I got home they was too small. I'm gonna insert a picture right here, and I thought her rain boots was really cute, so I have to order her a bigger size and just wait till it ships to the house. So I was kind of bummed out I couldn't show you guys in this video, but my little girl feet done big. Okay, so on to Harmony stuff. I did purchase her a pack of leggings. Now, I wanted to get these in like a size 7, but they didn't have no more of a 7. They only had an 8. And this is a 3-pack. This is the next color, and this is the next color. I did get these from Marshall's for only $10. The next item is a shirt. Now, I did get this from Target. This is in a size 7-8, and it was only $6. The next item I actually purchased by mistake, but I was like, you know what, I'll just keep it. This is from Marshall's, and it was on sale for $6. It is the dry fit material. I don't like buying these shirts for them because I noticed when they wear these type of shirts, they sweat fast, especially in the summer. She do have another 3-set pair of leggings. These ones are from DKNY. I like that I have DKNY at the bottom. I thought it was really cute. And then you have the stars one, and then you just have a plain color in the back, and this size is a 6X. My next item is she got this cute little skirt. It's like a rainbow unicorn skirt. I thought these was really cute because she can wear some leggings with some Uggs and, you know, a cute little top. She actually have a set, so it comes with the skirt, the hearted skirt, and it also comes with the shirt. So she could wear this little outfit with some black leggings as well as with a tan or brown color Uggs. So I thought this outfit would look really cute on her. My next item is a sweater set. Now it's Champion, and it do come with the matching leggings. She do need some sweaters, so I thought this sweater was really cute for her. The next 2 items are the French toe sweaters. So I got it in a gray color as well as in a navy blue. And she also have another Champion sweater. To me, I feel like this is like a sweater dress because it's like so big, and we kind of match because I have this similar sweater. So I did find 2 nightgowns for her. She loved little nightgowns. She feel like a princess. She likes to twirl. This comes with a little eye mask. It says wake up for breakfast on it. So I thought that was really cute because my Harmony, she loves to eat. And this is the face mask. This is the next nightgown. It just says love on it. I do like the print. And these nightgowns was only $5. This one was $4. The next item is some jeans for Nazir because he did outgrow his jeans. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pairs of jeans. I only let him wear skinny jeans because he's kind of little for his age. So skinny jeans look better on him. So I did get these from Children's Place. They did come in a pack of 2. I can't remember the price that I paid for them, but these are really good quality jeans. I love Children's Place jeans. That's where I normally get most of their jeans from, is from Children's Place. Now, last but not least, my little section of clothes that I did pick out, which is not much, is just sweaters. Because like I said, I couldn't find nothing in the store. But they did have this cute little Momo. Y'all, I didn't know what these was called. I was just calling them like bed sheets because that's what it looks like. But I love the print on it. I love like the little Afro feeling print it gives. I love the girl on it. It's like really cute and chic. I did go ahead and purchase me a Champion hoodie, a Champion sweater. I was able to find this in Marshall's. This was only $20, and this is the woman's sweater in a size extra large. This is a neck sweater from Marshall's. This is a Champion C print, and this was on sale for $15. My next one and last one is this hoodie Champion sweater. This is also a female's Champion sweater, and this one was $19.99 as well. I forgot to show you guys her two jackets, but this is her jacket. Of course, you know she got a Nike jacket. She do like how this jacket looks. She actually picked it out herself. This is her favorite color. I like the fact that I do have Just Do It on the arm with the logo right here in the hood. Her jacket do not have any zip up pockets as well, and this is how the inside look. And this jacket is in a size 6X. She also has another jacket. This one comes a little bit longer on her, and this one is in a size 8, because depending on the quality of things, sizes fluctuate on my kids. So this is why I did get this in a size 8. I do like how it's like kind of low in the front and kind of high in the back. So she do like these jackets, and I can't wait for her to wear them. But this is going to be it for my haul. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you did, don't forget to hit that like button, as well as hit that subscribe button and turn on all your post notifications, so every time I upload a video. And like I always say, don't forget to be your own kind of you. Stay beautiful and stay blessed, and I'll talk to you guys later.